If you wish to view the sender profiles in one of your client accounts, we can just click on our client here. This will open up their summary window. In the quick links section at the bottom, you can see sender profiles. This will now show all the sender profiles inside this target user's account. If we wish to view a little more information on one of the sender profiles, we can click on the pencil button. Their sender profile details will now be shown on screen. If you need to make any amends, you can key them in, then hit the save button. Alternatively, if you wish to remove a sender profile from one of your client accounts, we can click on the trash can icon over here. This will open the delete gutter. To remove a sender profile, we simply drag it across. When you're happy to delete it, we can click the delete button at the bottom. And now confirm delete. Okay, that sender profile has now been removed from your reseller client's account.